Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very nice move. Now, sure, the price did pull back here a little bit, but when you consider where the price was compared to where the price ultimately closed today, I think we can all agree that, yeah, even with the pullback, the bulls did still make a nice little move here. But that does lead to the very valid and logical question of, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that is right down here at, what is that? The 31-cent mark. Why is 31 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 31 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back a little bit more and then does something like this and then starts to head back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have the previous set of lows down around there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress as time goes by. And in this case, I'm just defining and quantifying the term make progress as 31 cents. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some potential battlegrounds at? As it stands right now, the key area of resistance, I'm going to call right here at the 40-cent mark. If you go back through the history of the chart, you can see there's a couple instances of it acting as resistance, both there, and then fast forward into today. And yeah, the price temporarily got up above it, but that didn't last very long. So 40 cents is certainly public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, no doubt about it, nice move today on the bulls' part. So the question is definitely transitioned now into, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.